Good morning. This is the StockPal Tinker simulation with coding. What is a StockPal? StockPal is a smart shelf system designed to monitor storage conditions and detect missing items using the sensor and alerts, as we see on our simulation. Uh, so what does it do? Basically detect the item presence with the IR sensor and alert the user with this buzzer if temperatures get too high or an item is missing. Also, another component could have been add to this simulation would have be a Wi-Fi that you could connect to your phone, but we could not do that on Tinker simulation, but other Autodesk uh, programs, they can actually add those items to it. And how does it work? It's very simple. This is a very basic version of the inventory system. It's basically include the servo motor right here. It control and simulate the scanning motion if the temperature gets too low or if it gets too high. Um, and also that temperature sensor that we have that goes to the pin A3 also reads the ambient temperature, which is usually 74. It's just like some standard. We put that one there. And also we have a IR sensor which detect the missing item on the shelf. And as you see in the code, we said that the item is missing. So if you continue simulate, if I press the button, that it means it's activate that button, and then the power go through this buzzer, and the buzzer start like buzzing for the uh, kind of notify our user. Also, we have a photoresistor. It's basically measure lights alert if the visibility is too low. And LED here, what it does, it's just a visual basically, but it turn on the conditions if it's unsafe. And basically our output is it prints alert and temperature reading to the serial monitor here for the debugging. And also this system actually gives you a real-time monitoring for inventory safety. So because it's combine all this, combining the sensor, especially the temp sensor, IR sensor, is for like inventory safety as well. So we're gonna start the simulation with by pressing this button, and then we see how all this work together. So as you see, also we can change the temperature if linked to the when we monitor the temperature, how like temperature is going. If it goes high or below that, it will kind of we get that buzz again, and this is how uh, the stock balance kind of operate. Also, we have our visibility, which we can shows in our coded how they are like corresponded to each other. Also, um, another way to look at it is basically because it's kind of the robot itself is a stationary, so it does all this by itself without any basically moving, except that servo motor that it moves the camera. So it basically come all together, and it's kind of like gets your inventory safe. And thank you for watching.